Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to record audio in Canva, recording audio made simple, easy Canva tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, the first step that you need to do is to head onto your canva.com, head onto your design, or choose in a template that you want to use. So as you can see, we're currently onto our design already in here, and we're currently onto its editor. So for us to be able to go ahead and record an audio for this design that I have in here, the only thing that you could do is to go ahead and click onto the share button here, onto the upper right corner of the screen, and then right after, you should be able to find an option to present and record. So you should be able to find that one here under more. Simply click onto that. So this will allow you to record yourself while talking over a presentation. So you could just click onto go to recording studio to proceed. Now it will ask you to set up your camera and microphone. So you'll just need to click onto this one and choose in the camera and also the microphone that you want to use. And once you're already ready, you'll just need to click onto start recording to proceed. As you can see, it will count for you, and then you could go ahead and start talking already, and you could see that it is recording already in here. So you could go ahead and change slides as well while you are talking in here, and you could also pause the recording and end it once you're done. So simply click onto end recording and it will go ahead and upload it. So you'll just need to wait for this one. And once this one is already done, you'll have an option to download this or save and exit. So let's just go ahead and save that, and you should be able to find in also the recording here onto the audio right after that. So you could go ahead and try to update this. Just simply click onto that one in here, and then you could go ahead and adjust the audio onto where you want to put this onto your design. And that is just basically it, how you record an audio in Canva. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you on to our next video.